Dunia TV. Hello viewers, you are watching Dunia TV Aapki Screen Par. Today we'll talk about a major decision by the Punjab government, led by Chief Minister Maryam Nawaz Sharif, bringing great news for thousands of students across the province. The Punjab government, under the leadership of Maryam Nawaz Sharif, has announced a new internship scholarship program for young graduates. Under this initiative, selected students will receive a monthly stipend of rupees 50,000 to gain hands-on experience alongside their education. The government, headed by Chief Minister Maryam Nawaz Sharif, says the goal of this program is to make young people skilled and self-reliant, helping them polish their abilities in real-world professional environments. Through this initiative, students will receive financial support and also get opportunities to work in government departments. This experience, according to the Punjab administration, will serve as a strong foundation for their professional careers. The Punjab government, under the direction of Maryam Nawaz Sharif, is expected to open registrations soon. Students are advised to stay updated through official websites and trusted news sources for the latest information. That's all for today's special update on the Punjab Internship Scholarship Program launched by Chief Minister Maryam Nawaz Sharif. For more news on education, jobs, and scholarships, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. And please subscribe, follow, like, and share my YouTube channel, Dunia TV Aapki Screen Par. Dunia TV Aapki Screen Par, Aapki Awaaz.